Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, guys, because we have an emergency situation. Before a couple of hours we saw some slightly pump to the upside, and of course, as always, we created one more time the fake belief that this kind of slight pump gonna explode to the upside, and all the moon boys start posting that this kind of pump is gonna explode from time to time. And guys, I did a tweet and I told you that this kind of pump is a bear flag, and be very careful, because we're gonna retest the resistance and then we're gonna see a huge rejection of the Bitcoin price. And guys, it's happening exactly as I predicted. You can clearly see, not even we get into a reversal back to the support right now, that the time that we're talking, guys, we're breaking this very strong support area of this bear flag. And guys, we're gonna see furthermore continuation of this rejection. We're gonna see this insane rejection, this another free fall, which I'm highly expecting to see. So guys, in this video we're going to analyze all the situations, what's the next price targets, what's the next very strong support areas that we must keep the price of Bitcoin upwards if we don't want to see the free fall. But guys, unfortunately, we're gonna see that free fall because I'm very bearish, and all indicators, all the patterns are flashing extremely bearish situation. So guys, if you would like to know all these things, where we're gonna get in the short term, mid term, long term with price targets, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you're supporting me so much, continue this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, and share your friends. You are actually helping me so much, and I appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone, guys. And let's dive straight to the 8-hour time frame to begin our analysis, because we have lots of things to cover out. As you can see, guys, here we had the double top formation. I told you that the time that we're gonna break the $22,750 area, we're gonna see a free fall on the price of the Bitcoin. Especially it was the area of support of $22,500, and I told you that we're gonna see the $22,500, then we're gonna see the free fall. And you can clearly see the time that we broke it, we experienced this free fall as I was expected. Okay, this $22,750, it was the base of this double top. So the time that we broke it, we moved to the downside as we're supposed to do. So before I jump to the new pattern, I'm gonna just implement the technical price target of this double top position, because it's gonna play a big role in a very few. So you can clearly see this technical price target of this double top, guys, is the $21,250. And guys, keep this price on your mind, because we're gonna need it in a very few. And you can clearly see that with this free fall that happened here, guys, we created another huge bearish pattern, which is this bear flag. Okay, and you can clearly see a beautiful formation here with this rejection. This is the pole actually, and then we consolidate inside of this kind of a channel, up channel. But right now we're gonna break this massive support from time to time, because all the indicators are extremely bearish, and I'm gonna show you all my bearish indicators that flashed and some that are going to flash from time to time. So right now we're testing this massive support, guys, of $21,700 of this bear flag, and if also gonna break this massive support from time to time with a huge breakout at $21,400, let's say, if we're gonna get to this area, then we're gonna have 100% confirmation of this bear flag support area breakout. And with that being said, we're gonna move into very low number, because guys, if we're gonna break the $21,500 area, we're gonna see another free fall on the Bitcoin price, which gonna lead us to $20,000. Okay, so right now I'm gonna give you the technical price target of this bear flag, and you're gonna clearly see with your eyes that if we're gonna broke this massive support area, we have technical price target at $19,750, which is very low price target. Okay, and I highly believe that we're gonna get there, because I highly believe in a huge free fall on the Bitcoin price, especially close to the $20,000 area. So let's take an out zoom and look some very basic and major support lines. As you know, guys, we have a very strong Fibonacci level retracement, which is the $21,500 area, and if we're gonna break this massive support, we're going straight to this $21,250 area, which is the previous resistance from here, that we had a very big struggle to surpass it and get even to the next levels, to the next level, okay, which was the $23,000 area. The time that we broke this $21,250, then we pumped up to 23. So you can clearly understand here we have right now to retest it as a support, and it's very, very, very strong. If we're gonna break this one, guys, is exactly the technical price target of this double top. Okay, that's why I told you keep this number in your mind, because guys, this technical price target of this double top is exactly also this area. So if we're gonna get there and also gonna break this one, we're gonna see furthermore rejection of the Bitcoin price, as I told you, on this bear flag. Okay, we're gonna follow exactly this bear flag. So guys, from here I'm gonna jump into this right wedge pattern, because also we have this right wedge pattern information, and we have technical price target here at $20,600. So I'm expecting a lot, guys. If you're gonna see the breakout on this bear flag and also the breakout of these very, very strong two support lines, okay, if we're gonna break both of those, we are going to get straight to this $20,600 in no time. Okay, we're gonna get there very, very fast. So keep this very well in your mind, and if we're actually we're gonna get there tomorrow, I'm gonna give you my next targets, my next support areas, because right now we like to focus more on the other indicators that we have. As you can clearly see right now, I'm gonna put the 4-hour time frame, and I'm gonna show you on this chart. The super trend indicator is bearish. The exponential moving average, guys, squeezed a lot. Look at this. If you're gonna see, guys, which I highly believe that we're gonna see that the flip on exponential moving average 50 and 200 in a 4-hour time frame, then the situation is gonna become even worse. We're gonna see probably a rejection straight under $20,000. Probably gonna touch this bear flag technical price target if we're gonna see this kind of cross, which as I told you, I highly believe that we're gonna see that. And right now I'm gonna focus on the other indicators, especially on the 8-hour time frame. You can clearly see we have the EMA ribbon, which flashing right now bearish. You can clearly see that from yesterday this kind of indicator became more bearish. All we need is this red line get overcome even more the orange line and the yellow lines, and this is gonna create here even more bearish territory for the Bitcoin price. And also we had the 12-hour time frame that we saw the super trend indicator that flashed bearish since yesterday, and as you can clearly see, we're moving more and more to the downside. So I'm gonna put the daily time frame here because I would like to show you the MACD, which, as you know, and as I'm always telling you, that is one of the most reliable indicators that I'm using for my predictions and for my analysis. And guys, you can clearly see is going exactly as I predicted. We're going into this very huge bearish territory, and the distinct orange line and blue line had got even bigger, and I predict you about this kind of distinct, it's gonna get bigger when we were exactly here. And also I predict you for the flip back when we had this bullish territory, that this bearish flip is gonna happen from time to time as it happened. So that's why, and that's my purpose of my channel, guys, to show you the truth, because fundamentally we're extremely bearish, and after all this very well manipulated pump, right now you can clearly see the truth that all this actually bull trap is going to exposed. Okay, is exposing right now in front of us. So before I close the video, I would like to show you the weekly time frame, which we have this descending broadening wedge, and I'm probably the first guy that I show you this kind of chart in the weekly time frame with this descending broadening wedge. And guys, mark my words, I highly believe that we're gonna see this kind of a path. We're gonna follow Bitcoin price, actually gonna follow this kind of path. I highly believe that we're gonna see a huge rejection back to $13,000, $14,000, or even $12,000, which $12,000 is also my worst case scenario for the Bitcoin price. No matter how bad we're gonna see a maximum pain, no matter how bad we're gonna see the last capitulation, no matter how bad it's gonna be the recession, guys, the worst number for me for the Bitcoin crash, it's gonna be the $12,000. That's the worst case scenario for the bottom of the Bitcoin, and that's the worst case scenario. Okay, the worst case scenario. So Afterwards, of course, when we're gonna touch and retest this support, I highly believe that we're gonna explode like crazy. Of course, this bullish territory is gonna build slowly, but you're gonna clearly see with your eyes that it's gonna be a real pump and not this fake that happened on this area. Okay, you're gonna understand the difference, and we're gonna see together this kind of pump, and I'm gonna show you the differences from the previous two that happened on this area, okay, which was actually bull traps. So guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. If you're gonna see the Bitcoin price collapsing, all you have to do is to do DCA, buy on those low prices, because you will never see again those low prices for Bitcoin ever again. Okay, these prices that we see right now is prices that in 4 years from now you would wish to have in front of you. And don't waste this opportunity to buy no matter what the price is. Go blindly, do DCA, and if you're gonna get lower and lower, double down, triple down, and if you're gonna get into a new bottom, personally guys, I won't care what's the new bottom it's gonna be, what's the number of the new bottom. I'm gonna throw almost all in there, because it's a very high opportunity afterwards to see a huge reversal, and we're gonna get all the profits in a very crazy axis back. That's why. And because we will never see these prices again, that's why you shouldn't care actually if the Bitcoin is gonna get to 14, 13, 12, or even 11 or $10,000. Just go all in. It doesn't matter if the price of Bitcoin is gonna get up to $80,000. You won't even remember if you bought at 11, 13, or 14. You're gonna get crazy you're gonna get crazy X's back. Okay, that's it. Very simple analysis, guys. Follow me on Twitter, because there I'm updating you every day and almost every hour. So that's why if you don't want to miss any kind of tweet or any kind of update of the Bitcoin price, you should give me a follow there and hit the notification bell, so you don't have to miss any kind of news that emerge from nowhere. You will be prepared for that. And see you guys tomorrow with fresh updates and fresh analysis. Until tomorrow, your boy Chris out. Bye.